Welcome to our April 2025 stamp market release. I'm Amy and I'm here today to share with you a close-up peek at the products available today in the shop. I'm excited to share with you the first in our series of products, and that is our T-shirt talk stamp set, our classic T-shirt die, the coordinating die for the stamp set. This allows you to really layer up those greetings on top of the stripes if you want to use layered cardstock. This new die is so fun. It's very simplistic in how you accomplish this look. You take a standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card and you die cut the collar and you glue the collar to the top. Now, obviously you have to fill in that center with whatever color you want the base of your t-shirt to be so that the stripes don't show through. And that is how you accomplish the look of the t-shirt. It looks like a folded up shirt. It's super fun, and you can accent this with many of the greetings. We have a lot of options here, from dad to grandpa, papa, brothers. We even have little mom and sister. You can layer up these greetings in a variety of ways. You are my favorite mom, sister, simply amazing mom. You can even watercolor and stamp some florals to create some different patterns. We will be adding to this collection. This t-shirt talk will be a fun addition to our stamps, and we can't wait to add more. The dies also include a floral, so you can stamp or die cut that flower, and a little heart. This little label has some tiny little details. They're very, very tiny. They stamp so well though. It's so cute. That little tag in the back. And what I love most is that you can really customize this for masculine or feminine. So many different ways to utilize this product. Up next, we have this gorgeous Sending Good Vibes stamp set. This is a large 6x8 stamp set, and we have a coordinating scallop oval die. And I love this die. I love how large it is. It really fills up a card front. Look at that. You have both a large and a small. And then it also comes with a fun scalloped frame to really create that detail edge. And I love this set because what it does is you can really fill any floral into that space. You can stamp a beautiful floral, you can die cut florals or different greetings or images to put inside these little oval shapes. So these coordinate together. But again, this is also a really great set just to have for some really nice scripty greetings. And this fills a card front, or you can use it as a tag on your gifts. But look, it fills the front of a card, a standard card. And then they stamp up so cute. Supported and loved. You are supported and loved. Have a happy day, friend. Just so many cute little ways. Add a little floral. Really simple greetings or tags. We also have this Joyful Blooms die, which is a large flower and a small flower that you can use in so many ways. It is intended to just be a little flower that's kind of flat, but you can also layer this up by simply folding those flowers and gluing them together, and you can create these cute 3-dimensional blooms. These will be so cute, used on gift bags, on the top of presents. So many ways you can utilize these fun little guys. And we've also just slightly taken where it has a die cut, and you can just slightly give it some dimension instead of doing the full 3-dimensional floral. So there's a few different ways you can use that flower, making it really versatile. And then we also have this new 3-piece tiled layering Joyful Blooms stencil set. This is going to be beautiful. You can see a sample on the website. And there you have a little suite of products for some spring projects. Okay, up next we have this fun new coin purse collection. And we have a 5x6 stamp set that has greetings, a little watercolor coin purse. You can also stamp the florals in 2 different ways, a solid with the centers, or you can stamp and watercolor in that. These fit perfectly. And it also has a little coordinating die for those greetings so that you can pop them on top of the coin purse itself. Now this is a separate die. And this measures about, I think, just over 4 inches. It does fit a gift card inside, edge to edge. This gift card's a little bit smaller, but the gift cards do fit in, but it is a pretty tight fit. So when they open it up, they can get a little gift card. I've simply just taken this and die cut on a fold to create that fun element. And the die also comes with a little tag allowing you that coordinates perfectly with the greetings in the stamp set. So you have a lot of options for adding that. You can also just stamp those little greetings and layer them on top as well. And then we have this coordinating flower throughout, and we have a bunch of products. It's just a very basic 6-petal flower, but never underestimate how cute those basic flowers can be. They create adorable patterns and little accents. Like you can see here, just the different ways you can use those die cuts. So here's the small version, here's the large version, and you can mix and match the die in the die set and this purse in the stamp set are the same size, so you can mix and match those on the front of a card, which is how I did the little florals. I've stamped this in white embossing powder. So there's so many different ways you can incorporate these together. Have fun playing with that collection of stamps and dies. So we also have this Blossom Buddies die for you to create those fun elements. It coordinates with the little flowers in the set as well, in the die set. This is just a great die to have across the board. Use this with pattern papers, for tags, memory keeping, card making, really a great must-have. Now we can show you here how we've used that with the pattern paper, just creating a simple background for cards. So imagine that in any color combination you love. We've also taken the same design and created a cover plate. This cover plate comes with a die cut that cuts out 3 centers at a time, so you can get those centers and create these fun cards in a variety of colors. Very easy. You can do this in a rainbow of colors. You could even use it with some pattern paper. So many fun options with this collection of product. We didn't stop there. We also created this large 5x5 die. The purpose of this die is to make little mini memory books, or you can simply fold a piece of white cardstock and die cut, and you can create large floral cards. They definitely have to go in like a 6x6 envelope, 5x5 envelope to mail those, but how fun to receive that. So this has a really great dual purpose. I'll show you more about this for memory keeping at the end of the video. Up next, we have this gorgeous, beautiful bouquet stamp set. It comes with a layered stencil to make it really easy to color in rather than watercoloring. But remember, these are so beautiful for watercolor as well. It has this gorgeous little bow that you can add to the bouquet as well. And I love that this set has a large and a small. And this really makes it fun for just a variety of tags and card making. And we've created this cute little shadow box card using a monogram and a little window, that little bow on the front. These are super easy to make. I'll be sharing more about how to make this card in an upcoming video. And I will also share and show you how to easily stencil that stamp set. Up next, we have this fun Time to Say stamp set and coordinating watch band dies. In addition, the stamp set has a coordinating die that cuts out the greetings so that you can layer up over the watch face if you'd like. And this is just a really fun pairing of products to create some unique cards for those watch lovers. It's a really great set, especially for a masculine card option. Love that. So many different ways. The stamp set was specifically designed to mix and match in a lot of different ways. It really is fun. We've got Can't Wait to See You Again. Thanks for all the times you've helped me. You can even use this to celebrate today. Cute little numbers to represent birthday, or just simply stamp for a watch face. A lot of ways you can layer this up. Don't forget you can use your dies with pattern paper and different dies to really make your own unique watch bands. Very fun. We can't wait to add more products to this collection. We think you're going to have a lot of fun using and creating with this. Okay, up next, we are excited to bring you a little mini collection of products to really help our memory keepers. And this is something you can count on coming from us more in the future. We will now be offering 6x6 patterns along with 12x12 pattern papers and coordinating stamp sets. So this is our Spring Memories. This is where you can use your large Blossom Buddy die to create these gorgeous, look at this, such a fun mini album. Using the stamp set, you can add pictures, all the tags, fun greetings, just showcasing those larger patterns. Look at those, they're so fun. Each of our papers comes with these large tag sheets, so you can easily cut out tags for gift giving, memory keeping. Some people just love to collect pattern paper, and this is such a beautiful collection. And then I'll quickly show you the 6x6 patterns. They're just mini versions. You get 12 sheets, one of each of the designs. They're double-sided, 80-pound cardstock in a gorgeous matte finish. We hope that you're excited about this. You can head on over to the shop and see the 6x6 and 12x12 papers. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing all the new products. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please comment and like below. And if you're not following us, hit that follow button and head on over to the shop and pick out your favorites today.